Wonderful investors, today I'm here at General Paint just by the Lagos Business School, and you can see in my background that it looks as though almost all the buildings here have the same designs and fashion, because up to 70% of this corridor is developed by this developer, Metro Homes. So just like the one I'm currently pointing at, this one you are seeing is also developed by him. The blocks of terraces you are seeing down the road, almost all these left are developed by him, and even almost all these left also are also developed by him. And where I'm going to take you to also, where we have the 6 blocks of 4-bedroom terrace duplexes are also currently being developed by him, and that's the one you can see that I'm currently pointing at. This I'm pointing at is just 6 blocks of 4-bedroom terraces, 3 left and 3 right. And as you know that we just also allocated on the 4-bedroom semi-detaches, but we still have one unit left there selling at the price of 160 million. But if what you are looking at is something lesser and more affordable, this is going for 140 million. So my work here today is to show updates to you, because we've been following up on the project, and I often like to say that there's nothing like a building that you monitor its development from the foundation to finish that is not even yet plastered, because you can be able to track the quality of material used and its foundation. So like I said, all of this corridor are mostly developed even beyond this road and these blocks. Just also the same with the wings, where we have the 4-bedroom semi-detaches. Like, we even have a very popular football former Nigerian Super Eagle player also have units here. So if you are familiar, you would have heard about it, but let me keep that secret. You can call me if you wish to know. This is a fantastic area and fully developed, very unique, very organized, flowers everywhere, interlocked road, and it comes with a lot of wonderful and beautiful facilities and infrastructure. So let me take you in now so that you can have an update of the extent of the project. You can also see that the casement type of window that this company uses has also been installed here, which is the gray casement aluminum window designs. So have all been installed in all the units. So let me take you in so that I can show you the extent of the project. Congratulations to you who have taken advantage of a unit here. But if you are looking at a very relaxed environment, quiet, organized, flowers everywhere, quality ventilations, I will recommend this place for you. Even if you are staying anywhere in the world, I can tell you this can compete with any environment across the world. So let me take you in so that we can have a look at it together. Let's go. So let's go in now so that we can see the extent of the project. So you can see the tiles stacks here, and all these are yet to have much interior work. They are just trying to put the screening work design together. But towards my left here, the screening has really gone far, and this is the fashion it comes. And don't worry, it comes fully furnished, and to also let you know that it comes with the title CofO. So the screening design is yet to be completed up there, so I will be here again to give you update on this. So this is the sitting area, the sitting room, and this is the this is one of the rooms. All these you are seeing are the white cement for the screening. And this is the kitchen. So the screening work is still ongoing. And this is a small store that you can. Very spacious, and as usual, the kitchen is always big. So this is the staircase to the other rooms upstairs. So hi there, hold on. So this is one of the rooms, almost fully screened. So this is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. It comes with balcony, and this is the restroom. Few units left to go, and this is the balcony. So don't delay on this. So make your initial deposit of 40 million naira and spread the rest of the payment for 3 months. So I'll be looking forward to receiving your call to assist to secure a unit here. Just 6 units and 3 units to go to sell out these blocks, because once this is sold out, we move to another location. So thank you. I remain Kola Ole Balogun really one, still very much committed to giving you the best deal in real estate. Thank you and bye for now.